Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Block, which is a new product from Tegic that they run this in a Kickstarter campaign, and today I received the product. This is a portable battery, a power bank I should say, that it allows us to obviously charge our devices because it's a power bank. And we can see that it comes in an basically this is the package itself. So it is a case for the Tegic Block. It's called the Block. So yeah, it comes inside this case. And checking the specifications, we can see that it has a 10K mAh 3.85 37 watt hour battery. It has a 6,000 again it mentions that, so I'm confused whenever it's one of them. Let me check really quick on their Kickstarter campaign. I think it's the 10, yeah, it's 10,000. So yeah, pretty much it's the 10,000 one. This correct? I don't know why it mentions the 6,000 here. Really, I'm not sure. And here are the inputs, outputs I mean, and the output for the USB-C port and the output for the USB-A port, because this also has a USB-A port somewhere. I think it has the USB-A port, or if not, I'm not sure. Maybe it's because it has a... No, it does not have a USB-A port, I'm sorry. So yeah, I don't know Chinese, so think it may be, or maybe it's input and one is output. Yeah, that may be why it's referring to. So anyway, let's start by opening this. As you can see, it comes pretty well protected. I need to break it down. So let's break it down. Let me quickly here, without scratching the case, I'm going to open the package. Okay. Alright, so this is plastic. This is plastic, and let's open it. So this is the Block. As you can see, that's the case, and this is the Block itself. And here it has some more instructions. Actually, these are the LED status, which tells us the battery power that it has, battery capacity that actually if it's charged or not. That's what it means. And the other side, we have the information on how to use it. It has to charge it, then to charge an iPhone or an Android. I'm not sure, because that's another thing. They run this on Kickstarter, but I'm not sure if this is the Lightning version or the USB-C version. This seems to be the USB-C version that I have here, because I wrote in the comment section that I wanted the USB-C version, but the problem is that they rarely reply to the comments. So yeah, but some people apparently are receiving the wrong version on Kickstarter. I'm not sure, but this is the battery backup. Battery backup. I'm sorry, the power bank itself. So let's take it out. Technically it's already out. I can just use this input. This seems to be like an indicator. Yeah. Oh, nice. So these are the LEDs that tells us the capacity. So it has some capacities, and that means that I can test it out. Because you see, my phone right now only has 3% of capacity of battery charge, so I need to charge it. So that's the perfect test to test this. So, alright. I think we can start testing it. So let me just wait a second here. How do I turn down the LEDs? I'm not sure how, or if they are going to turn off. I'm not sure. Anyway, so let's take out the cable and let's connect it, I guess, to the phone, and this should trigger the charging. Let's see. It says cable charging, does not says that it's fast charging. Probably what's happening is that this may not have a Qualcomm chip, and technically this should detect whenever it has Let me see if it says no, it's not detecting it as a fast charging device. So it seems that it does not has fast charging for the Samsung S9, because I'm not seeing that it says fast charging. But we can do another test. Because technically this should provide 9 volts 2 amps output, I guess that means. So what I can do to test it really quick is that I can try using another cable. And I have here another cable that I can use to test it, because technically this should also be an output. And if I connect it to the phone, let's see if it says fast charging. So yeah, for some reason it detects fast charging with the using this USB output. So there you go. We can also see that it has an LED that turns on to indicate it's fast charging. And if I disconnect it, it will simply stop the charging. I have 3% of battery, so yes, that's my experience. There we go, it turns on again. So that's my experience with the block. So yeah, pretty much it will take 1 hour and 37 minutes to charge. That's pretty much accurate, because that's what it takes usually to charge on fast charging mode. And I'm just going to let my phone here charge. Now I don't know which one of this is input and one of this is output, really, or if it depends on if this means it's the integrated cable and this is for the other port. I'm not sure. But yeah, thing is that I received the block today, which was a campaign from of Kickstarter, and well, yeah, it's working fine. It's working. So far, I hope that it continues to work, and I hope that this battery lasts, because it may come in handy. It will come in handy. Really will come handy. So that's about it. I hope you like this video. If you did, don't forget to like this video, comment on it, share it with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.